Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the language in your v.io. So, go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to v.io. Now, log into your account and click on your profile. After you click on your profile, you can see the language option. The language options are English, Espanol, France, and Portuguese. So you can choose from these languages after you go to v.io, log into your account, and click on your profile. Now go to language and choose the language you want your interface to become. This way, your language will be changed. I hope this video about how you can change your language in v.io was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye and take care.